All right, so I'm going to continue from where I stopped. Let's go to all right. So this is what we were doing. Okay. Yep. So let's bring this down. Okay, so let's try and create our charts now. Let's create our charts. So the first one, let's create this. You highlight all the numbers here. Sorry, you highlight all the numbers. You highlight all the numbers, and then you do insert. When you come to insert, you do your 2D or 3D column chart. It depends on you. Anyone you want to go for. Okay. So now for this one, this is for safety test. So let's look at safety test. Um, safety test. Okay, safety test. Let's do some. You can use any stuff you deem fit. Okay, no, let's change this to black. I think someone's okay. So you can do this. So let's look at what else you can do here. Um, the fill. We can use yellow. This depends on you. You can use another color that you think makes sense. All right. So let's try and look at. Let's select data and check the horizontal stuff. Okay. So let's highlight the names. Let's put the names at the horizontal stuff. So, okay, and this. So we are using the last name, all right? Um, okay, that's good. All right. All right. Okay, so let's also try to axis title. Let's add axis title. This is for the staff. So staff names, okay, staff names, you can change this to this, and then you can change this to black, and you can fill up the stuff with this, all right, with this yellow, and yep, this one, the this is the safety test score, all right, okay, test score, all right, so you click 3 times, you can change this to this, and then um, and change this to black, okay, and then you can come fill it with this, all right, and what else should we do? Should we do 3D rotation or something? 3D rotation, let's do 50 if you like, all right, and what else, okay, let's do glow, Abby, just as we did yesterday, glow, 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 let's do 21, and then let's do 50 here. Let's do 50. Okay. And then let's change the color to this uh to this, or was it this we used yesterday? Okay. Okay. All right. So that is that about that. Okay. Are we done with this? Short title, we've done that. Short labels, we don't need that. Short short labels, do we need that? We don't. Okay. Short table, we don't need it. Grid lines, maybe, maybe. It depends. We don't need the legend. Okay, so we are done with this. So let's come to this. All of this style. You can use any of this style if you like. You can use any of this style. You can use any of this. Okay, depends on you. So let me just go for the color. Um, all right. So let's use um, okay. Let's use this. All right. All right. Let's so like I said yesterday, you can decide to unmark any of this. That means Marafa and Chukwebuka. By the time you apply it, let's take this up. By the time you apply, okay, that disappeared. By the time you apply, Chukwebuka and Marafa, if you apply it, they will disappear from the list, okay? But it's better you go for select all so that you don't miss anything. All right, that's that about that. What else can we do? What else can we do? Okay, well, let's just leave it that way because of our time. So we can bring this here. Okay, we can bring this here. We can bring this here. We can bring this here. So let's bring this here. Good. That's the first one. All right. So let's come for um company philosophy. Company philosophy. You have highlighted that. You come to insert. Let me drag this down. You come to insert, and then come to insert, you do your um this. You can use any of this, it depends on you. I mean, if you feel, you know, that will work for you, fine. All right. So this is company philosophy. Company philosophy. Company philosophy. Company philosophy. Philosophy. All right. Company philosophy. Click 3 times. And change this to this. And change this to black. And fill it up. Don't mind me, I just like yellow. So, but I mean, you can go for other beautiful colors, okay? Um, and then you can close this. So, when you click on this, you can then have your as is a title. Let's have that, and this one's this one is um the names. The names will be here. Um, staff names. Okay, so staff names. Let's change this to this and this and this and this. Okay, so that is that. All right. What else? What else? What else? Okay, we're supposed to change this to. So did you change this to black? I think so. Okay. So let's have this. Um, um, test score, test score. You click it 3 times. You have this, and you can have this as black, and you can fill it up. You can fill it up yellow. Okay, that's that about that. So let's do, you click on this, you right click, select data, and then you edit. You go copy all the names. 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 No, you go copy all the names. Then okay, and okay. So all the names now here. And close this. So what else can we do? What else can we do? Data labels, you don't need that. So, data labels, you want the numbers to be on top. I mean, for this one, the bars are many, so the numbers, I don't think really look good on them. Data table not needed, grid lines, just to give them some, all right. Legend, no need. Okay, so I think we are done with this. So let's come to this style, color. Let's do this. Which color did we use the other time? We could use another one. We use another one that we did not use the other time. Depends. And decide to use any color you feel like. Okay. All right. Let's stay with this just to save our time, and we don't need to do filtering. All right. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Can we do 3D rotation? Yes. Let's do 3D rotation. Let's do 3D rotation. 3D rotation 50 or something. And then let's do glow, glow. 21 and then 50. All right. And maybe this could be, no, this could be, should we make it um make it this? All right. Feel free to use colors that you think can bring out the beauty of your stuff. All right. So sometimes aesthetics also matters. Okay. But I mean, don't turn yourself to an artist. Okay. This is not an artist's work. So your your crave for aesthetics should not be at the detriment of your core responsibility as a data analyst. All right. If it's beautiful, fine, but that shouldn't override the major thing you're supposed to do as a data analyst. Okay. So, all right, let's do the other one, which is which is um, financial skills. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Insert, and then your table. This. Okay. So short title. Um, this for financial skills. Okay. Financial skills tests. All right. And let's try and select data, put the names. Let's put the names Chukwebuka and Co. And then OK. And then OK. So the names are there now. Um, we can can tamper with this and tamper with this and fill up. Just for the sake of time, would have tampered with colors and all of that, but you can do that on your own. Um, Axis titles, let's use that. Axis title, um, staff name, staff names. This would be this, and then could be this, and what else? What else? What else? Okay, fill it up with this, and you can have what else? What else? What else? Okay, let's do this. Test score, test score, test score, test score, test score. Um, you can have it black, and then this one. Oh, sorry, this one, this, and you can have it filled up with this. I think that settles that. And what again? What again? Click on this. Data label, data title, data table, grid lines, maybe this, and this to give you all these tiny lines at the background. Okay, just for some sort of beauty, nothing much. All right, so we're done with this. Let's go for style and color. For colors, we use this? We use this? We use green? I doubt it. Um, okay, let's use green. Let's see. Green, 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 green. Okay, green, green, and green. All right. Okay. So, 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 so. All right. Let's do some 3D rotation here, and let's do some 3D rotation and do 50, and it depends. Just do 50 or anyone. We'll make sure that it makes sense. 31, 20, 50, and then this one will be yellow. Depends on you. So you can shrink it a bit. And what else? Are we missed out anything? Nothing, so to say. Okay. Um, let's drag this down. Control Z. Let's try and drag this down. Drag this down. All right. Um, let's drag this down. Let's drag this down. Let's drag this down. Okay. Don't worry. It's all about the space, and you can just zoom it. Okay. So that you have good command of your of what you're doing. So you can bring it down here. Okay, let's go down and see how it looks. All right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, good. I think, yep, I think we have done all of this that we're supposed to do. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Um, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? All right. Um, what else? What else? What else? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so let me just do one stuff here. Um, dum dum dum. All right. Okay, so I decided to remove the margin. So let me just uh, get the yeah. So I'm just going to merge it up to this point. So merge and then take it to the center. All right, good, beautiful. So now let's take it to print. You see how it looks. You see how it looks. You see now look at this. Let's no scaling, fit sheet to one page. That's what we want. Okay, but then let's take it to portrait. No, not portrait, landscape. All right, landscape better. This is better. Okay. This is better. All right. Let's try and see. Let's save and just save. Um, let's say I'm just gonna type something. Okay, let me not type just anyhow thing. Um, staff grade book, grade book. Excel. Okay, I'm going to change it to PDF and let's see how it's gonna look. Okay, let's see how it's gonna look. Um, yep, 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 yep. Okay, beautiful. This is how it's gonna look. So look at this and then look at this. This is how it's gonna look. All right. Like I told you yesterday, you can actually extract this. For example, um if you click on this and then you go to save as and then you just let me just type something and just PDF, you can extract your you can extract that picture alone, okay, and you're going to have this, all right, and then you can also do the same for this, um, do the same for this, and you save as desktop, um, you change to PDF, and then save as, then you have this also, then you can have this, um, you can have this, and you can also push it this way. Um, yep. Hopefully, we're just going to finish stuff right now. So you can do any of this, just practice. That's all. I mean, it's not rocket science. It's not something that anybody brought from heaven. All right. So maybe we should try our hands on the report. Let's see if time is not fast spent. Um, fast spent. Uh, let's see. Um, so let's say staff grade book. Sorry. Gradebook, business and tech transformation. Oh, we have 10 minutes to go. All right, I'm going to leave you to do this one. Mission Academy. Let me see if you have questions. Um, one, one is for safety tests. Okay, safety tests, safety test. All right, safety test. Let's do it. Let's see if we can run with time. Um, um, copy, copy. Okay, um, so you can put your findings. You can put your findings. Conclusion. Of course, your conclusion. Was there anybody that got below 50? I doubt it. So, but just put your conclusion here. And then for other ones, let's see. Let's see. Copy. Number two. What is that now? Company philosophy. Company philosophy. This. Okay. So you can put your conclusion. Your findings and conclusion. Okay. So let me even make it. Your findings first. Your findings, you put it there, and then you put your conclusion. All right. All right. Anyone with questions before this session would elapse? I think we have about 9 minutes to go. Questions,
Yeah.
questions.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening to you.
Yeah, thank you for taking us further into the journey. Really appreciate. And my prayer is that God will continue to strengthen you.
Amen.
My question borders on the fact that how acceptable is it to run analysis without charts?
Okay,
In
so
other words, can we do analysis then I'll give a recommendation without necessarily doing charts?
yeah, okay, so if you do your analysis without chat, it's very likely that because it's not just about doing the analysis. As a data analyst, you must do presentation. Okay. So if you're going to present to your CEO or whosoever, your manager, you know, what would you then be showing them? Will you be showing them Excel sheets? Okay, and sometimes the data in Excel sheet can be so lengthy. Probably you are dealing with, of course, we're still going to do some, some task, that will involve data that is so much. What we just did yesterday and today. In fact, they are just like ABC. They are so simple. Okay, so you're going to come to a point whereby you'll be dealing with, let's say, like 1,000 rows you know, like 100 columns. That's a whole lot. So the CEO does not want to see all of those stuff. They want to see a more concise, precise stuff. So you are not going to show them, the Excel, the lengthy stuff on Excel. You are going to show them charts that would tell them what, the whole story in Excel is talking about. Okay. So you can then give them your findings, show them. So if you say, okay, the zone or the region that is selling most is region C. So how do I know? Where's the chart saying that? You need to show me here and say, hey, sir, look at income. You can, I mean, going by the chart here is the one that is blah, 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 blah. And even the blind too will know that, oh, ECOT is somehow, lower and all of that. So charts, I mean, so you can do data analysis, but you must do data visualization. It's very, very important. It's very, very, very important. Even if you speak all English, in your recommendation, your conclusion, the people listening to you in your presentation will want to see charts that is telling them, what you're talking about. Okay, if there's a problem, okay, so can we see the problem, in a column chart or a pie chart or something? So it's really, really important. Okay, it's not something that any data analyst will want to gloss over. It's, in fact, it makes your work beautiful. You can't just you know uh, avoid it. You just have to do it one way or the other. I don't know if you got
Okay,
what.
thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate.
Yeah, you're most welcome. So it's one of the edge you can have. If you know how to do the charts and all of that, maneuver it, bring some aesthetics. It gives you an edge when you are presenting. So, in your organization, others might not be able to do it, but you can do it, and that's what gives you the edge as a data analyst. So, just do it. Okay, just do it. So, Gradebook for, let's see how it looks. Though I didn't add all the findings, conclusion, I'll leave you to do that. All right, so this is the final thing. So just try your hands on it. Okay, try your hands on it. So questions, comments, and all of that before we wrap up. Before we wrap up. Questions. I hope you can still hear me.
Yeah, I
Hello.
can hear you.
All right. So questions. I think we still have about quite some people here. Okay. So questions, comments, and all of that. Now, I think just about few people attempted what we did yesterday. So let me hear from you. Did you encounter, challenges? Why didn't you, um, you know, try your hands on it?
Uh, Okay, for me, it was it wasn't easy at first, not difficult, so to say though, but trying it second and the third time, made it easier. So
Mm,
it was a case of practicing. So when I
mm,
did the first one, I had to go back to the video, then did the second one again, then the third one. It was, if I did it on my own without making any, without looking at the video again. So
beautiful.
it's just a case of practicing for
Mm,
me.
mm,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. And that's just it. The more you walk around it, the more you just try things, the more you just get to understand it. So you get to a point, you just do it easily without much much challenge at all. So the bottom line is that you just have to practice. Okay. So by looking at it right now, you say, wow, this thing is simple now. I mean, no big deal. Okay. I will join them again in the next class. I tell you, until you practice it, you might not just be able to know whether you can do it or not. So I will encourage you, practice and practice and practice, okay?